Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about the top 3 technologies that you need to know about in 2023. These technologies are changing the way we live, work, and play, and they're only going to become more important in the years to come. Number 1, Artificial Intelligence. Artificial intelligence, AI, is one of the most talked about technologies in recent years, and for good reason. AI is already being used in a wide variety of applications, from self-driving cars to medical diagnosis. In 2023, we can expect to see even more widespread adoption of AI, as businesses and governments begin to realize the potential of this powerful technology. Number 2, Blockchain. Blockchain is another technology that is poised to make a big impact in 2023. Blockchain is a distributed ledger technology that can be used to securely store and track data. This makes it ideal for applications such as cryptocurrency, supply chain management, and voting. In 2023, we can expect to see more businesses and governments adopt blockchain technology, as they realize the benefits of its security and transparency. Number 3, Virtual Reality. Virtual reality, VR, is a technology that allows users to experience a simulated environment. VR is still in its early stages of development, but it has the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with the world around us. In 2023, we can expect to see more VR headsets and applications become available, as businesses and consumers begin to explore the possibilities of this immersive technology.